Alright, today we're going to move on to installing the crankshaft and getting the upper half of the engine case installed. I was missing a couple of bits for the clutch actuator, so I couldn't wrap that up. I need to get those parts before I can finish that, but in the meantime we'll move on to this. I've been using this 1207B on all my 125 rebuilds, and I've never had any issues with it. I've never used the Yamaha stuff, so I'm just going to stick with this. I know it works, and I know how to work with it. So here's the path of the 1207B RTV. Okay, well that's no good. So obviously I had to take that apart to replace that stud. Here's what we had with the broken stud. It wasn't the end of the world because I learned that one of the other studs was also stretched. I don't know if you can see it or not, but this part of the threads are stretched. So it gave me the opportunity to find this and get some good studs in there before I put it back together. So I'll do another video to follow on to this when I put it back together after replacing the studs and cleaning everything up again. If you like what you're seeing, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. I'd really appreciate it. Have a good one. Take care.